Hey everybody, I'm Javeda Bay, aka the Millennial Sexpert, and welcome to my brand new web series, Toy Talk. I know, you're probably like, Javeda, why do you keep making web series? I have a kink for making video content, obviously, and putting a lot of work into things, but mainly because I believe in sharing knowledge. And I have a lot of knowledge about sex toys, and we're still in a pandemic, which means that a lot of people are probably buying sex toys online, which means you don't necessarily get to talk to somebody to actually know what you're looking for, what you should be buying, and all of those different pieces. So I wanted to create a source or a resource so that way everybody could get the information they needed before going and investing in sex toys, because sex toys are an investment, especially when you get good ones. And I don't want you just throwing money away. Like, I want you to throw money at the good stuff that you know is going to get you off and do the things you want it to do. So hence Toy Talk. So what is Toy Talk? It is a new series where I'm going to answer all of your questions about all things sex toys. What are they? How do you use them? What are creative ways to use them? What can I use with them? How do I find the perfect one for me? All of that will be answered, dear friend, through this web series. What Toy Talk is not is a review series. I will not be telling you, oh my goodness, buy this sex toy. It's the greatest thing I've ever had in my life, because me and you probably like different things sexually. I know, mind-boggling to think that people, have differences in opinion and like what they actually enjoy. What? It's like we're all different individuals. So I'm not going to be like, oh my goodness, run, don't walk, like teleport yourself to the nearest sex shop and buy this toy, because you may not like what I like. And so I'm not going to tell you what to do with your money. I am just going to give you pieces of knowledge so that way you can spend your money as you wish, as you want, as you need, on things that you will actually enjoy, and not just things that people have hyped up on TikTok and Instagram. No shame to reviewers, but that's just not my game. So it's the first episode, Javea. What are we talking about? Sex toys. I know, that's very broad, but I'm just going to give you a quick overview of what are sex toys, because sex toys are a lot of things. And so I just want to make sure we have a good, nice, general foundational understanding before we move forward. So, what are sex toys? Sex toys are adult products, novelty products that are designed for sexual stimulation. That can be stimulation of the genitals, erogenous zones, or it could be things that are actually not designed for that, but they have become fan favorites for that reason, aka back massagers, which really became a thing as like clitoral massagers. You know what I mean? But so sex toys are a wide variety of things. They can look a million and one different ways, and they are always changing and evolving, especially because sex tech is on the rise. But that's another conversation as well. So sex toys can be a lot of different things. You'll hear a lot of people talk about vibrators, bullets, dildos, glass dildos, anal plugs, anal beads. All of those are sex toys, and they all can do a lot of different things in a lot of different ways. And as we progress through this series, you'll be like, oh, I did not know that about that toy. Or, oh my goodness, I had never thought of using it in that way. Yeah, sex toys are also really great. If you have some creativity, they can be much more than just what the box labels them as. So Toy Talk is going to help you with that. But yeah, there are a wide variety of sex toys out there. We are going to talk about all of them, help you find the perfect ones for you, and so much more. But you got to come back for that. So make sure you have subscribed to the YouTube channel. Make sure you're following the Instagram. Maybe follow me on the Twitter, Definitely subscribe to my email list though, because you don't want to miss new episodes of Toy Talk. But make sure you definitely come back next week for an all new episode of In Bed with a Millennial, but next month, first Tuesday of every month, for an all new episode of Toy Talk. But until then, I'm gonna see you later. Deuces.